Did you know that nearly 80% of people experience tooth pain at some point in their lives? It's crazy, right? So, let me ask you this. Have you ever been hit with a sudden toothache that just makes you want to curl up in a ball? If so, stick around because in this video, we're diving into a fantastic home remedy that can help ease that pain and swelling. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that hits close to home for many of us, tooth pain and swelling. These issues can pop up unexpectedly and make life pretty uncomfortable. Whether it's a nagging ache that just won't quit or that annoying swelling that makes your face feel like a balloon, tooth pain can really disrupt your day. But don't worry, we're here to help you find some relief. So, let's get into it. Tooth pain and swelling can arise from several causes. It could be anything from cavities and gum disease to a cracked tooth or even sinus infections. And if you've ever had a tooth abscess, you know how urgent it is to deal with that discomfort. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more serious dental issues down the road, so it's essential to address them promptly. But before you panic and rush to the dentist, let's explore a natural remedy that might just do the trick. Now, let's talk about the home remedy I want to share with you today. It's super simple and requires just a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven, according to a Harvard scientist. Swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.